What's up, y'all? I know y'all see the groceries out here. I got some ready rice and some Danos, and yeah, baby. But I got a question. Would y'all rather me do, and don't leave a like, well, like the video, of course, like the video, but leave a comment of which one you'd rather me do. Lamb curry or shrimp curry. We're going to put them both over some jasmine rice. We got some jasmine rice right here. It's ready rice. That way I don't have to boil it. It's already boiled. I just put some butter with it and it's ready to go. But let me know in the comments, not in the likes, because the likes don't show which one you prefer. I need all of my views to show a comment. Tell me which one you prefer. Lamb curry over jasmine rice or shrimp curry over jasmine rice, because I also have coconut milk. I also have, of course, the chili oil. I got some bell peppers, some onions. You know, we're gonna do it the right way. But hey, let me know in the comments. I'll let y'all.